Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use 11 Labs. So it's a really good website to generate AI voiceover. First of all, you have to open any browser, then search for this 11 Labs and open up this first website. Now you will see this kind of interface. This is the 11 Labs. You can simply type your text here and then you can simply tap on generate and your voice will be generated. Now to proceed further, you have to tap on this sign in and then you have to sign in with your Google account. After signing in, as you can see, you can get more options as well. So here are the settings. You can select the language from here first of all, and then you can see here there are a lot of languages, and then you can select the voiceover artist from here. There are a lot of voiceovers like male, female, British and all the accents, and as you can see, new, British, confident, news. So you can select that according to your needs, and then you can tap on this voice settings and then you can do a little bit settings according to your needs, that what kind of voiceover you like. Then the final thing is here you have to paste the text here. Just simply paste the text here you want to generate the voiceover of, and then simply tap on this generate. Now as you can see, it's generating our voiceover. So we have to wait a little bit, and now our voiceover has been generated. As you can see, the duration is 17 seconds. Now when you are okay with everything, you just have to tap on this download button and your voiceover will be downloaded in your laptop or PC. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can use 11 Labs for voiceover. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.